Hello and welcome. This is obviously another fantastic episode of Asambe, guys. It's 2025 and of course our mandate is just to have fun and to get people out of their comfort zone. So today we have a very special guest. So if you're watching for the first time, let me just give you a synopsis of what the show is about. So basically we bring your local celebrities, your favorite people locally, to challenge them into trying something different, trying something that they haven't done before on Asambe. Basically it's a challenge, right? So today's guest is none other than Bonkhe Shabangu. You have seen him if you have a Facebook account, guys. I'm sure you have seen him somewhere in your news feed, right? So he's a creative director of Cotton Sway, obviously, and of course he's an influencer, a public speaker, and also an author. So today he's on the show today on Asambe. We want to see, is he adequately enough for us today on the show? So we hope that you're going to be enjoying today's episode as we get to know him better, just a little bit, and also just to give him a challenge for today. And this is, my favorite paper, guys. This paper holds, basically how your day is going to go like. So today we have Bonkhe, so join me as we find out more about him today and we give him the ultimate challenge. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm awesome.
It's too hot. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yes, are you?
How are you doing yourself?
I'm awesome. How are your holidays? Yeah, you're our first guest on the show in 2025, so that could only mean like great things for us. Thank you, period.
Thank you for having me.
Yes.
My holidays are great.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to
Okay, so this is basically your challenge for today, Nate. But before I give you, I just want to find out some of the things that you don't like doing, that you don't picture yourself doing, especially today because ngiyashisa. Yini nje itask ilongeke so ujabulele namuhla lokushisa kangaka?
akuthanda umsebenzi lotsinge emandla. Ngiyakubona kudala nomtimba. So umsebenzi lotsinge emandla nje.
Okay.
Asikocenza, right?
Yeah. But here's your challenge for today. Hey, all the best. That's all I can say because it's hot. Here's your challenge. So you'll just read it. You can look at it now and then you'll show the Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, so what's written in your paper for people that didn't see?
Farmer.
Yes.
Not bad.
It's hot. What are you talking about? You're up for the challenge though, right?
They say we don't fight the conditions, we fight in the conditions.
All right. High five. I like that quote.
Thank you.
Let's go,
it's a nice
Asambe.
one. Okay. Still cutting the paper for the challenge.
All right. So we have arrived in our beautiful location, Prosca Farms.
Yeah.
Are you ready to be a farmer?
It's a tough challenge, but
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to enjoying it.
Yes,
Yeah.
despite the heat, that is. I mean, umbrella. Anyway, so on a scale of 1 to 10, I usually ask my guests, how well do you think you're going to do? I know that you don't know yet what you're going to be doing in terms of like the tasks. So on a scale of 1 to 10, whatever challenge they're going to be giving you, that's
11 over 10.
11 over 10. That's the spirit. Come on, man.
It's outside this game.
All right, so let's meet our mentor for today.
Okay.
All righty.
Great.
Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good to meet you. I'm a hugger, so.
No problem.
All right, so can you kindly introduce the place to us and what you guys do here?
Okay, my name is Songwenya.
We are you're a fast talker, but
Oh,
anyway.
sorry.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Yes, we are running Prosca farms here at home. We have goats, we have chickens, we have a garden where usually in winter we plant vegetables, and then we have mushrooms. We're growing oyster mushrooms.
Okay.
Yes.
So our guest here today is Bonkhe Shabangu. Obviously, maybe you've seen him somewhere on social media. He's quite. You haven't. No. It's fine, but you get to meet him in person, so you can say that you were with him. Yes. Anyway, so I wanted to find out what you guys will be doing. You got a task of being a farmer. So the task in.
So what will happen is we're going to take him through the goats. Sibaya, why we built it in that structure, and then we'll look in the chickens, what they eat, and then we'll go through to the garden, how the garden is, and what we have currently, what we have been having before, and then lastly we will go to the mushroom house and see the mushrooms inside the bags. And yes.
There's nothing, I'm not hearing anything about him sweating. Don't go easy on him, okay? Please. At the end of the day, it is a challenge. Don't go easy on him.
It is a challenge, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to leave him in your safe hands.
All right. Thank you. No problem. Welcome to Prosca Farms. So today we're going to go through our farm, see what we do and what we have, package some mushrooms until the final end. Are you ready?
Very much ready.
So before we go through our farm, so you need a protective gear so that you're protected, you know.
I don't go like this.
Yes, yes, of course. So I'll get it for you just now.
It's a big challenge.
So, yes.
Thank you.
Use your suits.
Okay.
And these are your boots.
Water boots.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna put this on. Then Siago Spanak.
Yes, yes, yes.
Great.
You'll be ready.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Sengqokile, sengready kusebenta. Let's go take on my challenge.
Yes, we're going to first start just to look around ngale etimbotini.
Okay, great.
Let's go.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So where do you get your water supply? Is it a borehole?
Yes, we do have a borehole.
Electricity powered?
Yeah, no, yes, 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 it is electricity powered. We have a pumper.
All right. Okay.
Just to snack before they actually go out.
Yeah.
Just yes, this is a so
okay.
And then sibaya sato nas.
This one.
Yes, see in a position whereby it's in a level position.
All right.
So tikibela la tulu tihlale la tilalela. And then nangabe kwendekile ukuthi sinemazinyane lamancane akalali esibayeni but alala in this other room.
When they have more proper shelter.
Yes, because kunaleti imbuti letinkhulu tito tilimata le.
Oh yeah.
So nasi sivayela nzihamba mana kunemazinyane lamancane we separate them. Timbuti tihlala la emazinyane ahlala la. And then ekuseni ke siyativulela bese setiyamunyisa.
All right.
Same thing applies nathi emadlelweni ngaphandle ati ahambe emazinyane lamancane ayasala. Yes, kuhambe timbuti.
Okay.
Yes.
So the kind of goats you have, or it's just a mix of?
It's just a mix
breeds.
of goats. Yes,
Okay.
it's a mix of breeds. Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, bon. So do you have one special breed, maybe?
No, not really. I cannot have really special, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Timbuti leti jwayelekile.
Yes, timbuti tijwayelekile.
Okay.
Timbuti tijwayelekile.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, bon.
Yes.
All right.
So another thing, sike sitiphe omwungu.
What is that?
Yabona na ugaya umbila
Yes, yes.
kuba nema-carfits.
Oh yeah.
Lelokhu baseceleni.
Yes, yes.
Hayi lemphuphu. So
I'm learning new things today.
yes, so kulama carfits lawo ke ngiko le bese sisiniketa letimbuti as a supplement.
Okay.
So nje tiye tithande nje yabona setijwayele. Sivame sitiphana setibuyale. So asathi ngelanga tikhanda timela phegedeni setifuna ukungena. Exactly. So it's another way of calling them back home. At the same time it's a good supplement even for them.
Yeah, it's an interesting Eswatini name.
Umungu.
Yeah, I'm going to add to my vocab today.
Yes, umungu.
Okay.
Yes,
Nice.
khona lokunye lokuba sitini lokuthengiswa as a supplement. It has a mixture of lama nutrients that timbuti.
Yeah.
Yes. And also molasses. If you have molasses, you see in molasses.
Yeah.
Yes, nasi picina le mungu tiyatsanza kakhulu timbuti.
So basically kuyafana nekuthi feedlot of some sort.
Yeah, but not really, but yeah, tiyakudzinga nato, but
Okay.
yes.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. Hi. Now today I got to learn about something I didn't know about. Sengiyawazi umungu.
Yes, uyawazi umungu.
Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So what's next? Where are your chickens? I saw.
My chickens are all scattered right now, but they usually are tilalala.
Okay.
Ehogweni.
You have a special breed corner.
Yes, these are.
Timbangele.
Yes, my kiosk. My kiosk. Yes. Here are they. The kind of kanzala. You can come in.
These are nice chickens.
Yes, these are the chickens.
Okay.
So lapha tiyatalela ke.
Okay.
Titalela amaqanza lamhlophe.
Yeah.
Siwathengisela abantu.
All right.
Yes, into ma-trays siyawakoleka every day and then
Yeah.
sithengisele abantu ma-trays.
Okay.
So yes, this is the breed that we have.
For the egg production.
Yes, for the egg production, these are the ones. Sike sitizame nge-egg booster.
Okay.
So that nangabe atisa performing kahle in terms of lamaqanza.
To increase the rate.
Yes, and also
Okay.
Yes, and also nangabe setinegula teeth, we try bo aloe, or garlic, sithenge imithana, because dasemakhaya at the same time they do need ukunakekelwa. Yes.
Dona ke tidla sangalane.
Yes, tidla sangalane lona njengombiyela suka. Sangalane.
Yeah, at least lana hotel kamali lihlukile into ngiphuza ukuthi hey say
at least yasathi sangalane.
Yeah, sangalane kuyasathi.
Yes, sangalane lesidla sangalane. Mana ke athi sithanda thanzi kakhulu, but nje it is good for letting huku. Yes, yes, because ngalesinye isikhathi ngabe sethi sijwayele kudla kwasesitolo. Naso sits emhungwini bese athi sathanza thanzi. Yes, that is why ukukhanza lana. Otherwise tiyakudla and it's good for them.
So nakhona nakunemanjwele lamancane is the same with the goats. Niyawathatha emanjwele.
Yes, siyawathatha emanjwele siwafake ngalena siwahlukanise.
But leti tiwatalela vele emanjwele.
Okay, okay, like besingathi dalelisa itona. Sine besibridela amaqanza and then we ask someone ukuthi asibridele and then abuye nalama chicks. Yes, and then bese soya nang.
Okay.
Soya nang. So yes, you can take a look of lama chicken. Yayibona nje le.
Yes, yes.
Letting ukuthi ne cannibalism, so we try ukuthi nika ema-greens nangabe nje upheke ekitchen kwasala lawo makhabishi uyatijikela. Yes, because nalokunye ke ukuthi kubanga ukuthi lamagcuthe seka dominate kakhulu kunaleti phukukade. So we try ukuthi sizame ukuthi dayisa so that tingatolima because bese tibathi nengakhulu, because on a roughly scale it's 1 cock to 20 female chickens. So yes, so nasekama nengla magcuthe vele kuba ne negative impact. So we try ukuthi nasekama nengla magcuthe zame kuwathengisa. Yes. Okay. So njengoba nibona tigubhu la tisikiwe. Yes, tilulu leti.
Yeah. That's creative.
Yeah, it is, because isilulu bese sheshe simoshakala. So what we do is just faka tshani la titalele la. Tiyatalela atinanginga. You have nje letinfo leti.
Then you
for
collect
some
your
time.
eggs.
You collect your eggs. Yes, they don't really have a problem.
Nice.
Yes.
Can you show me one dragon fruit plant?
Yes, I'm sorry, Guti.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, I'm not gonna need this.
Yes, I think since Gumandi La Pass, we're just going to uproot.
Okay.
Yes.
Sengiyayati ngeke ngizuphule nayo.
Ngeke usayizuphula because soyakhona kuyi-identifya.
Yes, yes. So inenhlanyelo noma ujuba a piece of it bese ke soyifaka phansi.
Ujuba a piece of it.
Okay.
Take a look at this. Yabona la?
Yeah.
Do you know drafting?
Yeah.
Yes, same thing applies here. You just when
Nawujubela.
ufaka pass.
Yes.
Yami.
So kude kuthi nasojubela so ifaka chemicals it.
No.
Dosheshe.
No.
Ikhiphe maybe those roots inyana.
Well, they may be those ways, but
Okay.
like really
Yes,
it really just cut it here even ingene pass. Lombia lodlati tinkukhu netimbuti ke tiyawutsandza. Yes. Nyalo nje safike stiphe lapha.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
So lama pipe lawabekiwe noma khambe manje.
Lama pipe lawa beka irrigation la ngadzeni.
Okay.
Yes, so bese wasebenzisa la kunisela. So we will try to use them again.
Okay.
Kuthi phinde futhi sihlanye sisebenzise wona.
All right.
So nangelo for me.
Siyopha timbuti nya.
Yes, siyopha timbuti nya.
Tingaki timbuti?
Timbuti tingu 26.
Okay.
And then we received 12 yesterday.
Okay.
12 emazinyane kuko kwahamba siwewe sahamba saya.
Okay.
Lo munye then produce and then itolo we received 12.
Niyabolekana siwewe.
Yes. So timbuti sihamba setiphela kunaya icontainer yato naya lapha.
Okay.
Now uthela nje hamba uthatha itakulandzela.
La ngithela kule.
Yes, go that red thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, nathi vele sethi.
Nato tita, just pour fast.
Okay.
Wait, uthela la ngala sekuphelile.
Sekuphelile.
Sekuphelile. Let me get it again.
Okay. Titodla tonke.
Yes, titosneka tonke.
Okay.
You can pour. Yes. Let's move to the next.
Okay.
They will then come. Namanje ungathela ngale ndish uthi. Yes, not dog.
Ngitena la.
Yes, utena lana. Yes.
Ngathi ngithele kakhulu la.
Akufana nginga tonke nayo nje seyathanda.
Okay. Phinze ngidetela.
Ngangeta nalapha.
Phinze ngidetela.
So beke sithanda kudla sodwa siyabhulishana.
Siyabhuli.
Siyabhulishana so
they bantwana basi.
Yes.
Alright,
So yes, sithi nathi senako la tinatha khona letimbuti. Konke naletinkukhu tinatha la.
Tinatha.
Yes, nasetibuya nje kuyokudla se give them some time ukuthi tidle, tinathe and then bese ngasekhwaleleke bese tiyavalelwa.
Okay.
Yes. So that is all.
Okay.
So I think let us rush to the mushroom house before the weather is nethe.
Yeah, ngoba livi.
Yes.
Yeah, we can go check your mushrooms.
All right, we can go.
All right. You said it's oyster mushrooms.
Yes, it's oyster mushrooms. They are very tasty. So sitawuphuma siye letulu sambe sebaleni nyalo.
Okay.
So these bags, inside them, kune sawdust, fine sawdust, with bran and lime, for the sender is soil preparation, but here this is the soil preparation for the mushrooms. So bese sekuba nema-sorghum seeds, lana lama seeds alenhlanyelo yema oyster. Yes.
Sprout.
So what happens is lama bags akafiki akanje. So okay, those PN is a variety of an oyster. So kuba lakhat, then kuba sealed like this. So and then once kuba white all over, so it is ready to sprout. What we do, we take a scissor or a scale or a knife. You cut like this, and then yes, then they come out like this. So sometimes actually asproutela la bezbophe khona njengala. Yes, njengala. So kwendeka kanjalo.
Okay, you said even La Paz.
Yes, spray La Paz. Yes, spray. You just continuously hold that thing. Yes, yes.
Then I avoid the lasa sprouts.
Yes. Careful with that one. When the nala pass, and they are all good. We're just going to harvest to go and package them.
Okay, nasesivunile. Immediately from here, we package.
Okay, yes, we do package. But then nangabe kanza ukuthi usengakabi so fire fishing, they do stay about like 2 to 3 days.
Okay.
If more than that, la kuphoseka yonakala. Yes. So what happens here after harvest?
Yes.
So we need to remove just by simply cutting it off.
Okay.
You can also use a kitchen pair of scissors by just chopping it off on the side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can do likewise on this one.
Okay, we remove this part.
Just yes.
Done.
Again, move the other ones.
Okay. Yes. Do number ones.
You can maybe carefully by one.
Like this.
Yes.
You are doing quality control.
Yes, quality control, of course.
Now we are on 133.5.
Yes.
We are going up to 250.
Yes, you can try to pack them.
Okay.
You can press them a bit. Sibanyalo.
Now we're at 211. 234.
Take this one.
254. Okay, so that's it for today. You took me to the goats, you took me to chickens, you took me to dragon fruits there, and then we just wrapped our mushrooms here. Now you have to rate me. Now you have to rate me. How did I do?
Well, out of 10, I'm giving you all your 10.
Thank you.
Because
thank
you were someone that was inquisitive,
Okay.
you learned something new.
Yes.
You know, you're flexible, you know. I really liked your interaction. We learned a lot. You told me that you learned something.
Of course.
And yes, we are so glad that you were here for Gotobona Prosca Farms. Now.
All right, so it's the end of our challenge today. It was sunny, but so I want to find out from my farmer how the experience was. How has the experience been for you?
It was very, very great.
Yeah.
It was a great experience for me.
Okay.
I got to learn about different activities.
Yeah.
A farm.
Yes. Which
So-
was
so-
what? Phela salungixoxela. I
Sengaphilisa.
was. Oh, really? Okay.
Sengaphilisa, like through goats.
Yes.
The chickens.
Yes.
The chickens, they lay eggs. So it's not just the meat party thing. There's also egg production.
Yes.
And then there's a garden there where currently gune mabonjis.
Okay.
And I learned about something very interesting, a dragon fruit.
Yes.
How it grows.
Yes.
It's a climbing plant.
Okay.
I got to weed.
Yeah. Okay.
Got my hands dirty.
Yes, you did. I'm so proud of you. We are going to actually today.
And then the most interesting part was lemon mushroom.
Same.
Yeah, lemon mushroom, to say in a very, very small space, you can produce so much.
Yes.
I think I like the attitude,
Yes.
the behavior in a mushroom.
Yeah.
Because out of something small,
Yeah.
there's really much that you can do.
Okay.
We went as far as packaging them.
Okay.
And I'm a customer.
You're a customer.
Yeah, I'm a
That's so
customer,
great.
because from production to packaging to buying.
Yes.
So that is a wholesome experience.
That is very beautiful.
It was a nice challenge.
Yeah.
Thanks to you.
Thank you. And of course,
Prosca Farms.
Prosca
How
Farms.
can we forget Prosca Farms?
Prosca
That was
Farms. This
amazing.
is where it's at. So
Yeah,
what did you get? What did they rate you?
10 over 10.
10 over 10.
Yeah, I deserve it. This party.
I'm not so sure, but that's so great. Thank you so much for being with us. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our amazing guest. Make sure that you also, scroll on Facebook. Cotton Sway, Mafune Trip. If you don't want to be a farmer and you want to be the it girl or the it guy, make sure that you check out his page on social media. It's Bonkhe Shabangu, right? And of course, we're hoping that the episode was nothing but fantastic for you as you got to explore, what it is being in a farm, what it is, growing chickens, and mushrooms as well. There's so much that they do here. What's the name of the farm again?
Prosca Farms.
Prosca Farms.
Yes.
This is Prosca Farms and Hlambeni, and we'll see you guys next time with another local celebrity or another local personality. Bye from me and Bonkhe. Mwah.